have to be ready with the camera. You're fumbling. You're fumbling.
Fumbling, bumbling, stumbling.
Yeah. I bet once we break out of here, maybe in a couple miles, there'll be some type of vista where you can kind of look down to the east side of the mountains, but I don't know. This is kind of a scary little mountain road. A little bit.
We're coming down out of Rocky Top.
Out of Rocky Top. Alright, well, we could probably
Color there.
You got a little bit there. Some fog up there.
Fog on Rocky Top.
There you go.
We're heading to Knoxville. That's where Tennessee, the University of Tennessee is at, I believe, Knoxville.
Yes, interesting trivia. This is like pop-up video. Alrighty, well, let's see here. This guy needs to get out the way. Alright, there we go. Shoney's. Look, Shoney's.
Shoney.
So we didn't stop at a Shoney's. We kind of got like a tour of all the regional restaurants.
One big scenic river, Watts Bar Lake.
Tennessee Technology Center. Okay, this is getting weird. We're just reading the street signs. Let's come back when we get something else.